Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be presenting on my assignment 6, my summary reflection. First, we have the exploration stage. Prior to taking this class, just by looking at the title, I'm hoping to learn more about the different ways that Google is being used in education today. I'm hoping there will be new strategies and applications that incorporate technology that I can use in my classroom. I'm expecting to learn about Google applications that I've already used before taking this class. However, I hope to grasp more knowledge of features that I may be unaware of with these applications. I'm expecting the workload to be stressful as this course lasts for the whole semester. I'm hoping that I can keep up with the course requirements. The explanation stage. After taking this course, I felt that I've gained a great amount of knowledge in such a short amount of time. First of all, not only did I learn more about the Google applications I've already used for years, but I also learned about new applications that I've never heard of, such as Google Notes, as well as how to create my own Google Current with a community. I definitely had a good feeling that I would be going over applications I had known already, but it was great that this course gave me an opportunity to explore these applications deeper and learn about new ones. Furthermore, it was also challenging and rewarding that a group project was integrated into this course. It helped me see the value of these applications, and experiencing them firsthand in a collaborative environment encourages me to use Google Classroom. There were times I felt that I was behind in my coursework, and I did for about a week, but I was able to catch up and stay on track. It is quite difficult to handle a course that lasts a full semester while working a full-time job and another part-time job at the same time. Overall, the class was interesting, and I was glad I registered for it. I am aware that there are ISTE standards and TPAC standards, but I did not feel that I specifically pointed out which specific standards were incorporated into my activities for the course. The course in itself presented opportunities to reach all the standards due to the nature of the course being specifically designed to use technology applications, which was integrating Google for educational purposes. The Conjecture Stage. Before taking this course, I was asking myself if I was ready. I registered to take one class that is about 8 weeks, and this class which was about 16 weeks, in addition to my full-time and part-time jobs. I was nervous and stressed that I wouldn't be able to keep up, but I was able to push through. I was able to find a way to manage my time and got through this course. I just needed to take it one day at a time and make sure that I had my due dates written down so that I could break down what work needed to be done and by when. Furthermore, before taking this course, I also thought about how this course would benefit me and my students. Throughout this course, I made sure to make an effort to learn more from my colleagues as well as from the course requirements. I felt like I really had to make an effort to go through the various Google applications and learn it deeply. There are so many applications that I was so unaware of, and being able to test them out and create different activities for them was a good experience. The analysis stage. Over the years, I've been able to manage my time wisely because I am a very busy person. I have to deal with my full-time job as a teacher, my part-time job as a coach, my grad courses, and my occasional math tutor part-time job. There may have been times that I struggled to manage my time because of all the extra work I put on myself, but I remembered to take it one day at a time and remind myself that I can only do so much. I had to prioritize what needed to get done first and finish other things at a later time when possible. Especially with the group project, I made sure to contact my classmates and keep in touch with them in regards to what my part was for the project. All it takes is communication between colleagues as well as with my professor to make sure things go well. I'm getting closer to the end of my program, and it's great to see how much I've learned from the courses I've taken in the past 2 years. Moreover, by learning these various Google applications, I am better equipped to integrate these applications into my lessons. It just takes some time to research and practice these new applications. In addition, I can learn the various uses of these apps with my students. They can experiment with them as well. This gives everyone a chance to work with technology while also learning content. Synthesis stage. Overall, I have learned so much about how Google and its applications can be integrated into the classroom setting. Google is a great source of information, and now that it is digitalized classrooms, it makes learning so much more diverse. If I follow along with the ISTE and TPAC standards, I can ensure that I am able to incorporate technology into my class. I have learned new ways and applications that can use and how can allow for collaborative learning. With collaborative learning opportunities, students can learn to work independently with little guidance needed as well as the ability to work with others. Not many students get an opportunity to work with technology, and I hope to allow for those opportunities for those students. I'm sure that technology can motivate more students to participate in the lesson. I myself realize how much I don't know about Google and how there are so many more applications and tools that I'm unaware of, and probably more than I can still learn. I can learn together with my students all these new technologies. I'm thankful for the opportunity to learn about Google in this class and hope to share my knowledge with colleagues and students. Thank you so much for listening.